Hello, love. What's happening outside?
It's snowing.
Huh?
It's snowing.
Wow, what is snow ba?
Yeah.
Do you know what is snow? Snow is a thin shape of ice, no? Okay, flying and melting right in front of our hands here, oh. See? No? Wow, sarap oh. Yes. Ay, sarap-sarap pala ng snow, love. Okay, first time.
First time. Ay!
Wow.
Ay, basang-basa ka na.
Ang sarap. Yes.
Grabe yung hair mo. Ang daming snow ng hair mo. Ay, lalaman. Ay, gulay.
Oh, you better, yan natawag natin meron sa Manila, maligo sa ulan. Dito, maligo sa snow.
Parang
Yeah.
konti ka lang.
Grabe. Yan o. Putyan, di natutura ba? No? Wow, is this real? Are we alive? No? Are we in heaven ba? Ha? Grabe. No? Okay, na-video mo yan?
Kaya nag-video.
Okay, that's good.
Video ko yung ulo mo.
Grabe. Uy, low battery oh. Low battery ka ha. Putya oh. Grabe oh. Sarap oh. Sila, naliligo sila lang oh. Kita mo? Kaya nakita mo yung mga tao. Naglalakas sa snow. Yan sila oh. Oh.
Tingnan mo ako ah.
See? Oh, 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 oh. What's that? Aljo. Alright. Yes. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, 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 sige. Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
Ayan ang snow.
Ayan, ang snow. Oh, grabe oh. Oh, chapat sa ulo. Lamig oh. Okay, welcome to Glacier Adventure. Yes. The Glacier Adventure. Welcome. We're going to try the Glacier Skywalk. Okay, that's it.
Ayun yan no, yung pupuntahan natin.
Okay. Oh! Adventure pala ito. Jasper, Canada. Welcome to Columbia Icefield. Okay, today we're going up there. Sa taas pa ng bundok na yan. Using po itong ating mga... Hindi pa nagpitan yan lang. Lock yan para magkasama lang. Okay. Tingnan natin outfit ng lago. Ready ka na ba talaga? Suot mo nga yan. Wow. 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 Taas ka. Okay.
For Christmas, we're gonna try it. Well, everyone, how we doing?
We're good.
Beautiful.
That's good. That's good. Okay, let's ride na. Let's ride the lab. Okay, let's ready. Let's get ready na. Okay. We're going to the top of that mountains. Yes, with all the ices in the world. We're going to try it, taste it, hold it, embrace the ice, the snow, everything possible. We'll do everything possible. Okay, bakit sa outfit natin? Baka kulang pa to.
Kulang po, hindi nakakapag.
Oh, tayo na akin, 7 patong na to eh. Ha?
Hindi naman magkasya yung
7 patong eh, hindi na may sarili jacket ko sa higpit eh. Alam, sa higpit hindi ko na may sarili jacket ko.
Navy or Levi like the jeans, whichever suits you folks best. And it is my pleasure being your driver up the transfer base, all the way up there where you guys will be boarding your Ice Explorer. It's only going to be a brief 5-minute drive, but before we head out, I do have some safety information to share. In the roof of this bus, all the way to the back, we have an emergency exit, and most of the big square windows to the side can be used in case of an emergency as well. Follow the instructions at the bottom of the window frame. The passenger side door, the door that we are all familiar with, is also an emergency exit, and in this specific overhead compartment, we have 2 first aid kits as well. Down the 2 seats right behind the driver, we have a fire extinguisher And all you folks have to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy the drive. Thank you very much.
Relax ka lang, love. Enjoy the ride. Let's go.
Love.
Whoa! It's freezing here.
Freezing here.
We're
Whoa,
like
whoa,
inside
whoa.
the freezer, the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, we're like meat, frozen meat here. Okay, let's walk.
Walk and walk and walk. Careful, kasi maano siya.
Ikot, ikot, love. Ikot, ikot, paikot, ikot. Ikot, ikot. Ikot rito. Ano, wala ka na, bata. Ayan na. Oh, ito, sama mo ulit. Balik, 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 balik. 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 Pucha, lamig na lang kamay ko. Oh!
Alright. Buti may guantes tayo, no? Yeah. Oh. Ano? Ay, gulay! It's snowing!
We have got 4 minutes left. Thank you. Storm tour, no?
Ice storm tour. Woo. Lamig dito, ha? Yeah. Parang ayaw mo nang... Ha? Halika?
Hi, hello, welcome to Russia. Russia, no, Canada.
Canada!
And yes, it's going below 50 degrees centigrade.
Bye-bye! Higa! Ah!
Baka di mo katayo.
Okay.
Thank you, love.
Okay, welcome.
Go.
Woo, let's go na. Okay. 3 more minutes. Oh, careful careful. Woo, alright. Ka-selfie lang siya, no? Ay, sorry.